Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a sticker from a photo on iPhone 16e. As you go to your Photos app, you can just select the photo from which you want to make the sticker from. So as I go to, for example, this photo, I can now press and hold on the object on the photo and then click on Add Sticker. You can see now the sticker is added, and as I go to, for example, the messages, I can send that sticker now by clicking on plus stickers, and I can either click on it then send it, or I'm gonna delete it, and you can also pin it to a message by dragging it and releasing it on a message. Then it'll be pinned to that message. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.